Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be talking about what you need to start creating content. Most people have ideas, good content ideas, but their fear is how to start. What do I need? I don't have all the required tools to start. So I decided to make this video. Content creation is very deep. And one thing about content is that once your content is of high quality, is a premium and it's a high quality content, what you used to shoot that content or do that content doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to be revealing to us some of the things I used to create my content from last year, since I decided to bring these teachings to social media and other platforms. So as of last year, I was using an Android device. I used Android devices to shoot my videos, and most people didn't believe that I am using an Android device. You see, the internet has grown in such a way that some tools can transform your videos to a very high quality video, even when you shoot them with small cameras and even little microphone. So as of last year, I was using a particular mic. So these are the things I used to record last year. The first is this microphone. This is a K8 microphone. I hope you can see it. This is a K8 microphone. This was the microphone I was using last year. It is a single microphone, okay, and it came with a Type-C port. This is the plug. This is the plug, and I'm going to unbox the microphone and show us how it is. So this is the microphone right here, and this is it. This is how it is. This is the microphone I was using last year. It carries a Type-C port. Okay, look at it here. Look at where you plug it. You see it? That's where you plug it. It also comes with an iPhone port. So whichever one you have, you can use them on the microphone. So this is the part you plug to your phone. This is a Type-C port. So when you plug this one to your phone, it's going to automatically connect to this microphone. So I got this microphone for, I think it was for 15,000 then. It was for 15,000, and it served me very well. And one good thing about this microphone is that you can use it both on your phone and on your laptop. So what I did is that since my laptop then didn't have this Type-C port until I upgraded, so I bought what we called an adapter. This is called a male to female adapter. Look at it, a male to female adapter. So this is what I got, and once I plug this to my laptop, I will plug this microphone port. I'll plug it here just this way, and I will use it. I will connect it to my laptop and I will use it. So this was what I was using. Okay, so until I upgraded to this one that you're seeing here. So coming to the camera that I was using last year, I was using a Tecno Camon camera. That was what I was using. That was the phone I was using then. The camera was quite good, very good. It was one of the latest Tecno phones then. So I didn't bother to get any other camera. I used the camera and I shot my videos, and I edited it very well. I'm also going to review some softwares that you can use to improve your videos and the camera I used then. Okay, before I got a new iOS device. All right, so I am using a new microphone now. So earlier this year I decided to upgrade, and I got a new microphone. So this is the microphone I am using. This is a 2-in-1 wireless microphone, Green Lion. It's Green Lion. Look at it. This is how it is. It's called a Green Lion microphone. So I got this microphone for 50,000 naira. Right? This is the box it comes with. This is the box it comes with. Look at it here. This is the box it comes with. So here you put is the two mics inside, and the adapter that you plug to your phone. And this particular mic came with an iOS adapter because I wanted to use it for my iOS device. And this is how the mic is. This is how the mic is. I got it for 50,000 naira. Okay, and the phone I am using now, I decided to upgrade both my microphone and my phone as well. So I am using an iOS device, a very high iOS device that cost above 600k. So but even before I got this device, my videos were top notch. My videos were top notch. I edited with some software, which I'm going to also be sharing with you on this video. All right. So the next thing I use is I use a tripod. I got a tripod, so I don't know how to fit this into this camera, but I hope we see it. Is a ring fill light, the ring LC363 ring filled light. So this is it. I hope you see it. This is how it is. And this tripod, I got this tripod stand for 30,000 naira. I got it for 30,000. But guys, I will shock you that this video that I'm shooting, I'm not even using the tripod, and my power supply is down. Okay, my power supply is down. I'm just using a torchlight. That's to show you that content creation, you can use anything you have to create content. Just make sure it's of high quality and start. If you are shooting outside, take your camera, no matter how bad it is, make sure that the content is top notch and you create your content. So I also use a headphone. This headphone is not actually necessary. This is not necessary, but I use it when I'm editing my videos. When I'm editing, I connect my phone or my laptop to this headphone, and I can be able to listen to the sound, pay attention to details, and touch the sound if I want. Okay, so that is basically the things I use to shoot. I don't use any other thing to shoot. So now coming to the softwares that I use. So formerly I used footage. I'm going to this is the camera app that I used then to shoot. If you followed me as of November last year or October, I guess, you'll see that my background is always kind of a fluorescent background. I use this app, this footage, to shoot in HD, and it comes out in high quality. Okay, so I edit with CapCut and InShot. So whichever stage you are, don't allow materials or instruments that you use to create content to hold you back. Just pick up your phone and share your content. Start from anywhere you are. Don't allow tools, phone, camera, microphone, tripod, and the rest stop you. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot to add more light to your videos. You can use it to style your videos the way you want. You can also use it to improve your sound, limit background noise. Why I got this mic is that I moved into an estate, and sometimes my neighbors living in the next flat, they may play a music and I don't want it to enter into my recordings, and they may talk loud, and the rest is a very quiet environment though here in my city. So I just got this mic because it limits all background noise. That's why I got the mic. If not for the background noise, this is okay. This also limits background noise, but this is better, and the sound, the echo it gives is also top notch. But if you don't have, you can go for this one. And if you don't have this one, your phone has an inbuilt microphone. Just use it and start creating. Don't allow what you use to shoot content to limit you. Start from anywhere you are, and you will grow in time and you start buying stuffs. I've not even gotten everything I need to be creating content yet, but at least it is not stopping me from creating my content. I do the works that I do, I blog too, but in my leisure time, I come to my working desk and I shoot my videos and I upload them. So these are basically the things I need. I hope this video helps you, and I'm also going to leave links in this video that will help you purchase some of these devices if you want to purchase them in a cheaper subsidized rate. All right, so till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Please don't watch this video if you got value from it. Follow me if you are watching from Facebook, and subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, and do well to share this video so that other people are going to see it. All right, so till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Keep creating.